Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and in today's video we will check the chain and see if it needs adjustments. Stay with me. The bike just passed 15,000 kilometers and the last adjustment was at 9,000 kilometers, so we will see if there is a need to adjust it again.
Let's see what we need. We need two socket keys. One is 27 and the other one is 19. And we need an appropriate Allen key. I think that in this case it is number 4. We see that the chain is a bit too loose. We unscrew the both sides, so both bolts. With the Allen key we tighten the chain in the clockwise direction. If we tighten it for halfway in the clockwise direction on the left side, then we should do the same on the right side. According to Suzuki's manual, the chain should have 20 to 30 millimeters of free play. It's time to tighten the wheel. The torque should be adjusted to 100 Newton meters according to the manual. We should check again the tension of the chain. And then we tighten with the Allen key on the both sides.
This is all for now. As you saw, the chain is adjusted. I hope that you enjoyed the video. For those of you that are new to biking, it may be useful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Till the next one. Goodbye.